Hello, I'm Elton Robinson with your September 23rd grain and oilseed update. According to USDA's most recent crop progress report, U.S. corn harvest is underway and about 9% of the crop had been harvested by September 18th. North Carolina, Tennessee, and Texas are well over the halfway points, while many Midwest states have just begun. 74% of the crop is listed in good to excellent condition compared to 68% last year. About 4% of the U.S. soybean crop is harvested, although gathering in those states has barely begun. Arkansas is at 21% complete, Mississippi at 34%, and Louisiana at 44%. 73% of the crop is listed in good to excellent condition. 29% of the U.S. grain sorghum crop is harvested and is nearly complete in Arkansas and Louisiana. 66% of the crop is listed in good to excellent condition. 9% of the nation's peanut crop is harvested, with Florida and South Carolina leading the progress. 62% of the crop is listed in good to excellent condition. 64% of the U.S. rice crop has been harvested, 11 percentage points ahead of the 5-year average. Wet weather is still an issue in parts of Louisiana. While rice harvest is wrapping up there, rutted fields will mean additional cost to repair. Incessant rainfall has also hampered the sugarcane planting process in Louisiana. In Poinsett County, Arkansas, rain and some wind across the county laid quite a bit of unharvested rice on the ground last weekend. In Randolph County, Arkansas, rice yields have been average to slightly higher, while corn yields have been average to below. In Crittenden County, rice yields have been below expectations, but are not as bad as harvest reports from further to the west. Corn yields have been a little below average, but soybeans show potential for above average yields. And now for the latest on exports. This report is for the week ending September 15th. Wheat exports of 551,000 metric tons were down 22% from the previous week and 12% from the prior 4-week average. Primary destinations were Brazil, Peru, China, Thailand, and Japan. Corn exports of 1.35 million metric tons were reported to Japan, South Korea, Mexico, Peru, Taiwan, Chile, and Bangladesh. Grain sorghum exports of 108,000 metric tons were reported to China, Indonesia, and Mexico. Rice exports of 98,800 metric tons was a marketing year high early in this marketing year and up 60% from the previous week and 62% from the prior 4-week average. Primary destinations included Turkey, Venezuela, Saudi Arabia, Haiti, and Jordan. Soybean exports of 790,000 metric tons were reported to China, Mexico, the Netherlands, Japan, and Bangladesh. Soybean meal exports of 199,000 metric tons were down 3% from the previous week, but up 30% from the prior 4-week average, while soybean oil exports of 16,300 metric tons were down 39% from the previous week, but up 11% from the prior 4-week average. Beef exports of 13,000 metric tons were down 21% from the previous week, but were up 4% from the prior 4-week average. Pork exports of 17,500 metric tons were up 4% from the previous week, but down 5% from the prior 4-week average. Well, that's it for this week's report. I'm Elton Robinson. See you next time.